Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the land of Khaybar in lieu of half of the yield of fruits or grains. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to give his wives 100 wasak, approximately 25,500 kg per year, 80 wasak, nearly 20,400 kg of dates, and 20 wasaks, 5,100 kg of barley. When Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu became the caliph and he apportioned the property of Khaybar, he radiyallahu anhu gave the Prophet's wives an option to opt either of the land and the water or take the fixed wasaks every year. There occurred a disagreement amongst the wives. Some of them opted for land and water, whereas some of them opted for wasaks. Hazrat Aisha and Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anhuma were amongst those who opted for land and water. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3940.